Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from Venmo to Wise in 2025. If you're looking to move funds seamlessly for international payments, travel, or just better currency exchange, this guide is perfect for you. Wise, formerly TransferWise, is a fantastic tool for low-fee transfers, and linking it with Venmo can make your life easier. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Venmo account and a Wise account set up. If you don't, download the apps and create them quickly. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, open your Venmo app and head to the main menu. Look for the Manage Balance or Transfer option, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This is where the magic starts. Next, select Transfer to Bank and choose the bank account that's linked to your Venmo. Pro tip: if you haven't linked a bank account yet, do that now by going to Settings and adding your debit card or bank details. This step is crucial because Venmo doesn't directly connect to Wise, so we'll use your bank as the bridge. After initiating the transfer from Venmo to your bank account, wait for the funds to arrive. Typically, this takes 1 to 3 business days. Once the money is in your bank, log into your Wise app or website. Go to the Receive or Add Money section and select a bank transfer as your method. Enter the amount you want to transfer and provide your Wise account details, like the account number and routing number Wise gives you. Double-check everything to avoid fees or delays. For 2025, Wise might have updated features like faster transfers or better integration, so keep an eye on their app for any new options. Hit Confirm, and you're all set. The transfer from your bank to Wise should process quickly, often within minutes to a day. One more thing. Always watch out for any currency conversion fees and consider the exchange rates. Wise is great for avoiding hidden charges, but double-check before you proceed. There you have it. You've successfully transferred money from Venmo to Wise. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.